Here I go, out to sea again. The sunshine fills my head, and dreams hang in the air. Gulls in the sky, and in my blue eyes, you know it feels unfair. There's magic everywhere. Look at me standing here on my own again. I'm straight in the sunshine. I need to run and hide. It's so wonderful, wonderful life. Need to laugh and cry. It's so wonderful, wonderful life. Sun in your eyes, the heat is in your hair. They seem to hate you because you're there. I need a friend, oh I need a friend to make me happy, not to stand here on my own. Look at me standing here on my own again. Portrait in the sunshine. I need to run and hide. It's so wonderful, wonderful life. No need to laugh and cry. It's so wonderful, wonderful life. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivysaur Fingers back with you again with another hopefully interesting classic for you. This is a song called Wonderful Life by Black. Okay, big hit for him. And I'm in standard tuning and no capos. We're doing it in the original key that it was recorded in. This is the E minor sort of thing, G, E minor. And very straightforward song, a bit tricky to sing until you get into the rhythm, but once you've got it, it's okay, but a bit tricky to start with, I think. So hopefully you enjoyed that. That was a sort of a slightly shortened version. There's another verse or two to go and some choruses, but everything you need is in this little preview, okay? And the lesson will follow in a few days' time. I'll break it down and show you what I played, okay? Bye for now.